Young children are the key building blocks of society. Influences from family, communities, institutions, and the environment shape children into the adults they will become. Adults who will influence their future family, community, institutions, and environment. The way society influences young children can lead to increasing risks of violence or promoting peace. Harmful influences at different levels can impair child development. Which increases the likelihood of negative outcomes in adulthood. Risks may include poorer health, lower education and economic achievement, and increased risk of engaging in violence and crime. Multi-level ECD services will have the strongest impact on a child's life trajectory. These services promote optimal development of brains and bodies. In turn, the child is more likely to be healthy, educated, employed, and earn higher income, and has a reduced risk in engaging in violence and crime. Multi-level ECD services can also improve the lives of individual caregivers and communities. Multi-level ECD services are crucial for long-term peace and sustainable development. Let's support governments, communities, and families in nurturing young children so that ECD can drive the transformation we hope to achieve. The time is now. To review the evidence supporting the content of this video, go to ecdpeace.org/ECPC background paper and read the Early Childhood Peace Consortium background paper.